Hey gems, welcome back to my channel, and on this episode of Co-Creating with God, I feel like I'm a creator as I help take God's beautiful green creations, all these beautiful artwork of plants, and putting them in the right places in my home to help beautify it, to help greenify it, and to make it, well, we need some good oxygen. So you could just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel, and I will see you next time, gems. Thank you. Bye.
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be let down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting, when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, see where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up.
Hey gems, one thing I wanted to tell you guys is I am not an expert at plants. I've killed a couple, over 15 plants this past few years before I got to where I am today. So I'm still in the learning process. As I'm editing this video, I have killed one or two. But I am using the knowledge that I have on the ones that did survive to help me do this. So this is all a learning process that we're doing together. I did want to tell you that all the plants that you see in this video, I'm using a terracotta pot for. Now, I do want to tell you that terracotta pots should be soaked before you put plants on them. So you would take a sink, like a bowl or whatever, a bucket, or fill up a sink, put water, and let your terracotta pot soak at least overnight, forever, as long as you feel is possible, at least more than an hour. Because if you don't, what's going to happen is the terracotta pot is going to soak up all the water that you give to the plant.
You don't have to lose my trust every time, when my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. You were different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge, yeah. Bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right, yeah. I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, say where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up. And you don't have to lose my trust every time, when my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. I can't pretend I don't need you. I can't pretend I don't love you. I can't pretend I don't miss your touch.
I want you so bad.
I can't go cry on your shoulder. Feel safe with you when I'm older. Just know I tried to come back for you.
I came back for you.
Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up. And you don't have to lose my trust every time, when my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had.
I want you so